Today I'm cooking a simple and delicious family favorite dish, braised pork belly with soy sauce. It can be prepared a day in advance. This recipe is for 6 to 8 servings. The ingredients needed are 1 kg of pork belly, 120 grams of whole ginger, 90 grams of garlic, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of thick soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of onion oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of 5 spice powder, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, and 500 ml of water. The full list of the ingredients and the measurements are in the See More link. Start with cutting the pork belly into smaller pieces. This long piece will yield 3 small pieces, so altogether I will have 6 pieces of pork belly. Here are the pork belly pieces after I have washed it a few times. Sprinkle all the salt, pepper, 5 spice powder, and sugar. Marinate the pork belly with dry seasoning until well incorporated. Next, add in the onion oil, thick soy sauce, and light soy sauce. Marinate the pork belly with the wet ingredients until well combined. Put all the marinated pork belly in a plastic bag. Pour the sauce inside the bag as well. Use the rubber band to tie the plastic bag to prevent the sauce from leaking out from the bag. Ziploc bag can be used as well. Place the plastic bag in a container and leave it in the fridge for minimums of 2 hours. Flip the bag every half an hour for an evenly marination. After 2 hours, the pork belly is well marinated. Remove it from the fridge and leave it outside for about 15 minutes. Crush the garlic one by one. Then cut the ginger into small pieces before smashing them. This is to enhance the fragrance and taste of the dish. Let's cook. Heat the pan, add in 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Wait 1 minute for the oil to get hot. Add in garlic and ginger. Stir fry and cook them for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the garlic and ginger have released their aroma and are slightly soft. Remove them and leave them aside. Use a pair of tongs to pick up the pork belly pieces and place them in the pan. There is some sauce left in the plastic bag, which we will add later. Cook the edges of pork belly to seal the piece before braising them. This will lock their juice inside the pork belly. Continuously turn the pork belly for 4 minutes until the edges are well seared and sealed. After 4 minutes, add in the cooked garlic and ginger and the marinated sauce from the bag. Cover the pan, reduce the heat to medium-low and cook it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the pork belly has released some liquid and there's a lot of gravy in the pan. Stir and rotate the pork belly. Cover the pan and simmer for 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, give it a stir. Pork belly is getting dry. Add in 400 ml water. Raise the heat to medium. Cover the pan and braise it for 45 minutes. From time to time, stir the pork belly to evenly cook them. After 30 minutes, the pan is getting dry. The pork belly is little soft but not tender. Add 100 ml of water and continue to cook for another 15 minutes. Continuously stir the pork belly to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After 15 minutes, the pan is getting dry again. The water has mostly evaporated and the oil and thick gravy is left. Switch off the heat. Let's check on the pork belly. It can be easily poked through with a fork. This means it is very tender. There is a lot of oil left in the pan. Use a spoon to scoop them out from the pan. Pour all of the honey on the pork belly. Stir and mix until well combined. The residual heat from the pork belly will melt and absorb the honey. Alright, that's it for the braised pork belly with soy sauce. Let's take it out from the pan and cut it. Cut the braised pork belly into bite-sized pieces. Let's eat! Oh wow, very delicious. The pork belly is soft and tender. Pair it with spicy and sour chili dip. So good! Perfect with rice or on its own. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye!